Sit. Good girl. All right, Pearl. Ruh, ruh. Sit. Good girl. Now, Hannah. Hannah. Come here, baby.
Come on,
Hannah.
Daddy.
Come here, Hannah. Come here. Good girl. Well, we're having fun now. This is more fun than a barrel of monkeys. After you've stepped all over your leash, kid. All right, we're going on the front and going to have fun. All right, here we go. We're going to have fun outside.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, this is fun. Here we go. All three of them. Watch your step there.
I will.
Come on, Hannah. Come on, baby. All right, here we go. Come on, everybody out here. Here we go. Boy, we're having fun now. Good girls. Come on, Pearl.
Good girl, Hannah. Hannah's a good girl.
Pearl, you haven't been a good girl. Hurry up, Pearl. This is a good snow now. Yes, Miss Pearl. Pearl's had some fun.
It's snowing up a storm right now.
Uh-huh. Okay, we're not going past the yard here.
No.
Because it is
Cold. All right, girls, let's get in the
girls,
house.
come on. Come on, hurry.
Hurry.
Hurry, hurry.
Let's go.
Oh boy, we're having fun. Or Pearl, you didn't do anything.
Hurry up, Pearl. Be a good girl. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Hurry, be good girl. Get out of there.
Pearl, hurry.
Hurry, Pearl. Boy, what a
Good girl.
Yeah. We'll walk around this way. Come on, Hannah, no sugar. You can't.
Come on, Hannah.
Come on, girls, this way. Come on, we're going to go this way. And we'll meet Mom back over. We'll walk towards Mom.
Wait a
Over
minute.
towards the steps.
Come on, Hannah. Let's go.
Great.
Come on, babies.
As soon as I get untangled here. Come on, girls. Let's go in the house. We're having fun now. It's snowing good.
It's snowing like lots. Gangbusters. Alrighty, girls. Let's get in the house. Everybody's got snow. Hannah, come on. She's snuffling. She says, I think that truck, I've seen that truck before.
Are you still filming?
Yes.
That's going to be pretty.
Pretty dog intense.
Yeah. All right,
Okay,
girls,
let's get in the house. Come on, come on, come on. Everybody shake.
All right, here we go, in the house.
It's
Still got that
fogging
thing
over.
running.
Yeah,
Go on. All right, go on.
thank you. Oh, now she's frisky. Now she's a frisky girl. What's she doing, Hannah? Are you being frisky?
You know what we need is a snack. We need
Oh
a dog
boy,
snack.
a snack. Let's get a
We
snack.
got a snack.
Come on,
Come on.
this way. Hurry. Come on. Come on.
We got a snack. You want a snack?
Go get a snack. Pat Bob's
on.
gonna take you. There you go.
All right. You still got that running?
Yep, I'm gonna turn it off right now.